An administrator has assigned a global policy package to custom ADOM 1. Then the administrator creates a new policy package, Fortinet. In the custom ADOM 1, what happens to the Fortinet policy package when it is created? Okay, let's go to the next question. What is the purpose of ADOM revisions? Okay, let's go to the next question. What must you consider before deciding to use FortiManager to manage FortiAnalyzer device? Okay, let's go to our next question. Which command can be used to sniffer the FGFM protocol communication between FortiManager and FortiGate device? Select one. Okay, let's go to our next question. Which two statements about schedule backup on FortiManager are true? Okay, let's go to our next question. A junior administrator is troubleshooting FortiManager connectivity issues that is occurring with the managed FortiGate device. Given the FortiManager device manager setting shown in the exhibit, what can you conclude from this scenario? Hello everyone, welcome to 591 Lab. Today we are discussing Fortinet FortiManager 7.4 sample questions and the answers. That's mean FCP FMG AD 7.4. Before moving to the question, let me explain about 591 Lab. We are the top IT training and certification exam brand in China, Hong Kong, Taiwan and Singapore. Our mission at 591 Lab is to provide our client with the exceptional exam preparation experience for certification in Cisco, Huawei, Aruba, Juniper, Palo Alto and Fortinet exam tracks. Okay, before moving to the questions, let's check our agenda today. Number 1, FortiManager Global Policy Package. Number 2, FortiManager to manage a FortiAnalyzer. Number 3, ADOM revisions. Number 4, schedule backup on FortiManager. Number 5, FGFM protocol. Number 6, FortiManager offline mode. Number 7, number 8, ADOM upgrade. Okay, let's go to our first question. An administrator has assigned a global policy package to custom ADOM 1. Then the administrator creates a new policy package, Fortinet. In the custom ADOM 1, what happens to the Fortinet policy package when it is created? Okay, let's check the answers. Answer A, you must assign the global policy package from the global ADOM. Answer B, you can select the option to assign the global policies. Answer C, the global policy package is automatically assigned. Answer D, you must reapply the global policy package to ADOM 1. Okay, let's understand the question and find out the correct answer. Okay, let's log into the FortiManager and understand the question. First, we will log into the FortiManager global database, and you can see here there is a default policy package under global database. Let's clone this and create new policy package. The name is new policy package 1. Okay. Okay, then we need to create new ADOM called ADOM 1 as per the question. This is assigned to the custom ADOM 1. Now I am going to create new ADOM. The ADOM name is ADOM 1. Okay, now you can see here the new ADOM is created. The name is ADOM 1. Let's go back to the global database and select the policy package which we have created. The name is new policy package 1. Under the policy package assignment, you can see here the no record found. What we have to do is add ADOM and click to select. You have to select new ADOM called ADOM 1, then click OK. Okay, let's create custom firewall policy under the firewall header policy. I'm creating test rule. Then fill the change note and click OK. Now you can see here there is one rule under new policy package version 1 header policy. Okay, let's go to the assignment tab, and you can see here there is a pending changes. You have to assign this to new ADOM which we have created earlier. Okay, let's navigate to the ADOM 1. Now you can see here from the global database the policy package which we have created from the global policy assigned to the ADOM 1. Okay, let's go back to the again the global policy. We'll create another new firewall header policy. I'm putting name as a 123, the deny rule. Click fill the change note, then click OK. Once you create the rule, you have to go back to the assignment tab, push the pending changes to the ADOM 1. Okay, it's done. Let's go back to the ADOM 1. Check the firewall header policy. Now you can see here the new rule also assigned to the ADOM 1. Okay. The question is asking what will happen if new policy package create under ADOM 1, that is mean new ADOM. Okay, let's create new policy package. I'm going to create new policy package here. Okay, now you can see here there is a new policy package under ADOM 1. Let's navigate to header policy. Okay, you can see here the firewall rule 1 and 2 automatically assigned to the new policy package as well. That means when we assign global database policies to the custom ADOM, the ADOM name is ADOM 1, it's automatically assigned to all policy packages under custom ADOM. If you create another firewall policy package here, that also assigned from the global policy package. Hope you can understand the question and the correct method. Let's navigate to the question and find out the correct answer. Let's read the question again. An administrator has assigned global policy package to the custom ADOM 1. Then the administrator create new policy package called Fortinet. In the custom ADOM 1, what happened to the Fortinet policy package when it is created? Okay. Answer A. You must assign global policy package from the global ADOM. No, this answer is incorrect. You don't have to assign again. Answer B. You can select the option to assign global policies. No, this answer also incorrect. Answer C. The global policy package is automatically assigned. Yes, you show that when we create new policy package under ADOM 1, the global policies automatically assigned to the new policy package. Let's see the answer D. You must reapply the global policy package to ADOM 1. No, this answer also incorrect. For this question, we can select answer C. The global policy package is automatically assigned. The information related to central management ADOM and global database ADOM you can be review FortiManager 7.4 Administrator Study Guide, starting page number 290. Okay, let's go to the next question. What is the purpose of ADOM revisions? Answer A. To save the FortiManager configuration in the system checkpoints. Answer B. To revert individual policy package and device level settings for Manage FortiGate. To save the current state of all policy packages and the object from the ADOM. To save the current state of the whole ADOM. Okay, let's understand the question and the correct answer. Okay, let's open FortiManager 7.4 Administrator Study Guide, page number 198. You can see here all the information related to ADOM revision and describe how the ADOM revision affected policy and object configuration. In the page number 199, you can see here ADOM revision allows you to save locally in the FortiManager snapshots of the policy packages, objects, and the VPN console settings contained in the ADOM. When you create multiple ADOM revision, you can view different between them or revert to specific revision. As a word of caution, if you choose to revert to specific ADOM revision, you will revert all the policy package to object based on the revision. FortiManager can delete ADOM revision automatically based on specific parameters as shown in this slide. Optionally, you can lock individual revision to prevent them from being automatically deleted. Okay, let's log into the FortiManager and understand how to create ADOM revision and what is the purpose of this. Okay, now you can see here I'm going to install new policy package to the branch firewall. When you click install wizard, you can see here there is a button called create ADOM revision. When you on the ADOM revision button, you can put ADOM revision. If not, automatically put the date and time. Okay, now I am going to install policy package to the branch office firewall with the ADOM revision. Now it is installing. Okay, now you can see here how many ADOM revision available under ADOM revision column. You can see here one ADOM revision available which we have created earlier. So assume that if you have installed wrong policy package or you have do any unrelated configuration, you can come to ADOM revision tab. Then you can select the correct ADOM revision. You can restore them to the current ADOM using ADOM revision. If you have multiple ADOM, you can check different from the ADOM revision tab. Okay. So if you want to save the current state of the policy package and object, you can create ADOM revision before installing to your branch or any firewall in the FortiManager. Okay, hope you can understand what is the correct purpose of the ADOM revision. Let's go back to the question and find out the correct answer. Answer A, to save the FortiManager configuration in the system checkpoints. Seems this answer correct answer, but it's not save the configuration in the system. It is save the policy package and object. Hence answer A incorrect. Answer B, to revert individual policy package and device level settings for the Manage FortiGate. This answer also incorrect. It's not related to device level settings. Answer C, to save the current state of all policy package and object for the ADOM. Yes, this answer we can select as a correct answer. Let's check the answer D, to save the current state of the whole ADOM. No, this answer also incorrect. It's not save the whole ADOM. It save the policy package, address object and the VPN console settings. Okay, let's go to the next question. What must you consider before deciding to use FortiManager to manage FortiAnalyzer device? Answer A. Confirm that FortiManager has enough storage capacity for expected logs. Answer B. Ensure that FortiAnalyzer features are installed in advance. Answer C. Check whether FortiManager is part of the High Availability Cluster (HA) cluster. Answer D. Determine whether the VDOMs of the same FortiGate will be assigned to the different ADOMs. Okay, let's understand the question and find out the correct answer. Okay, let's log into the FortiManager 7.4 Administrator Study Guide, page number 10. You can see here FortiManager managing FortiAnalyzer. You can add and then manage most of the FortiAnalyzer feature from FortiManager. This is the recommended solution for environments with the high volume of logs. After you add FortiAnalyzer device to the FortiManager, the following panes are enabled automatically on FortiManager: FortiView and LogView, Incident and Events, Threat Hunting and Outbreak Alerts, Reports. And you can see here FortiManager can manage multiple FortiAnalyzer devices, but each FortiAnalyzer must be in its own ADOM. You can add the same FortiAnalyzer device to more than one ADOM. When you do this FortiAnalyzer feature and visibility in the ADOM are limited to the login device included to that ADOM. Okay, let's log into the FortiManager and check what are the features available to add FortiAnalyzer into the FortiManager and what are the limitations. Okay, now you can see here I am logged into root ADOM of the FortiManager, and the FortiAnalyzer side also ADOM name is root. In the FortiManager side I have 4 devices in the root ADOM. So now I am going to add FortiAnalyzer to FortiManager. Select add device. In the add device option you can see here down arrow. In here you can see add FortiAnalyzer option. Once you click this, you can have an option add new FortiAnalyzer, add existing FortiAnalyzer. I am going to add new FortiAnalyzer. Put the FortiAnalyzer IP address, then click next. Now it is asking to verify and synchronize the device of the ADOM. That means in the FortiAnalyzer and FortiManager, both VDOM will be synchronized once you do this. And you may note that both VDOM has to be same. The FortiAnalyzer I am adding root VDOM and the FortiManager side root ADOM. Let's synchronize. Now you can see here FortiAnalyzer added successfully. Then FortiAnalyzer added to the FortiManager. You can see here log views, fabric view, incident and event, reports option available in the FortiManager side. You don't need to log into the FortiAnalyzer separately. Once you add this, the FortiManager root ADOM device automatically synchronize with the FortiAnalyzer as well. That means if you have 4 devices added to the FortiManager, it will be added to the FortiAnalyzer root ADOM automatically. That means FortiAnalyzer configuration also push to the FortiGate devices. Let's go back to the question and find out the correct answer. Answer A. Confirm that FortiManager has enough storage capacity for expected logs. No, this one is incorrect because capacity and storage managed through FortiAnalyzer, not from the FortiManager. Answer B. Ensure that FortiAnalyzer feature are installed in advance. FortiAnalyzer feature already available, This one also incorrect. Answer C. Check whether FortiManager is part of high availability HA cluster. No, this one also incorrect. Answer D. Determine whether the VDOMs of the same FortiGate will be assigned to the different ADOMs. Yes, this answer we can select as a correct answer, because if the both FortiAnalyzer and FortiManager synchronize with the root VDOM as per our lab setup. If the FortiGate is assigned to the different ADOM other than root ADOM, it will not synchronize with the FortiAnalyzer. So we have to determine whether the VDOM of the same FortiGate will be assigned to the different ADOMs. So you have to consider before this designed use to FortiManager as a FortiAnalyzer device. Hope you can understand what is the correct answer. So we can select answer D as a correct answer. Okay, let's go to our next question. Which command can be used to sniffer the FGFM protocol communication between FortiManager and FortiGate device? Select one. Answer A. Diagnose sniffer packet any port 80. And the answer B. Diagnose sniffer packet any port 8113. Answer C. Diagnose sniffer packet any port 443. Answer D. Diagnose sniffer packet any port 541. Okay, let's understand what is FGFM protocol and what is the port number. Okay, let's open FortiManager 7.4 Administrator Study Guide, page number 116. You can see here FGFM Management Protocol. The management protocol FGFM runs on both FortiGate and FortiManager. FortiManager and FortiGate create secure tunnel using port TCP 541. Being TCP based, the connection works with port based net, which allows both FortiGate and FortiManager to be behind the net device. On the FortiGate side, you must enable FMG access setting on each interface facing the FortiManager. Once FortiGate is managed, the FGFM tunnel is authenticated and established using the serial number of the FortiGate. Okay, before adding to the FortiGate into FortiManager, you should enable FGFM protocol on the interface. Let's see how to enable. Whatever the interface which is connected to the FortiManager side, you should enable FMG access on the interface. That means administrative access. Once you enable this, you can add this FortiGate to FortiManager. Then secure tunnel established through FortiGate to FortiManager. Okay, let's enable the debug and see the output using port number 541. That means FGFM protocol port number. Okay. The command is diagnose sniffer packet any port, then port TCP port 541. Let's see the output. Okay, now you can see here using port number 4, it's communicating with the FortiManager. Okay, you can see in and out data and synchronizing with the FortiManager. Let's go back to the question and find out the correct answer. Answer A. Diagnose sniffer packet any port 80. No, this one incorrect. Diagnose sniffer packet any port 8113. No, this one also incorrect. Answer C. Diagnose sniffer packet any port 443. This one also incorrect. The diagnose sniffer packet any port 541. So the answer D is correct. because the FGFM protocol using port number 541, it is used for communication between FortiManager and FortiGate using secure tunnel. Okay, let's go to our next question. Which two statements about schedule backup on FortiManager are true? Answer A. They can be configured using CLI and GUI. Answer B. They put FortiManager in offline mode. Answer C. They backup all device and all FortiGuard database. Answer D. They support FTP, SCP and SFTP. Okay, let's understand schedule backup and what is the correct answer. Okay, you can see here all version of FortiManager have CLI schedule backup option, as well as in version 7.4.1 above have GUI option for schedule backup. Okay, let's log into the FortiManager and see how to enable schedule backup. When you log into the FortiManager, you should come to System Information widget on dashboard. You can see here System Configuration tab. Then you can click this button. Then you can see here Backup Now option, Schedule Backup option and Backup History details. When you click Backup Schedule Backup, you can enable the schedule backup. You can see here, you can select the directory and there are 3 options available: FTP, SCP and SFTP. And you can select other parameters as per your requirement. Okay, let's go to the CLI option and try to enable schedule backup. Okay, when you open CLI, you can SSH to the FortiManager. Then you should type config system backup all settings. Then you should type set status enable. Then you can configure set server and the set user, and you can set the time, set protocol, set password. All the configuration as we mentioned here, you can type and configure schedule backup using CLI option as well. By typing this command, you can get all the backup information details using CLI. Get system backup all settings and get system backup status. By typing this command using CLI, you can verify the backup information. When you configure FTP, SFTP or TFTP server, that server should reachable from the FortiManager. Okay, let's open FortiManager 7.4 Administrator Study Guide, page number 73. You can see here FortiManager backup details, and you can see here at any time you can backup FortiManager configuration in the system widget on the GUI. By default, encryption is enabled when you see GUI backups. If you use encryption, you must set password that used to encrypt backup file. You can also schedule backup at regular intervals using GUI and CLI. After performing backups, you can view the backup history to see backup performed on the FortiManager. If changes are made FortiManager that end up negatively affecting your network, you can restore the configuration from any of the backup you perform. You can see here how to restore and how to configure schedule backups from the FortiManager 7.4 Administrator Study Guide. You can verify all the details from here. Okay, let's go back to the question and find out the correct answer. Answer A, they can be configured using CLI and GUI. Yes, answer A we can select as a correct answer. You show that how to enable schedule backup using CLI and GUI. Answer B, they put FortiManager in offline mode. No, this answer is incorrect. Answer C, they backup all devices and the FortiGuard database. No, this answer also incorrect. Answer C, they support FTP, SCP and SFTP. Yes, we show that all the options available in the FortiManager schedule backup. So we can select answer A and D as a correct answer. Okay, let's go to our next question. A junior administrator is troubleshooting FortiManager connectivity issues that is occurring with the managed FortiGate device. Given the FortiManager device manager setting shown in the exhibit, what can you conclude from this scenario? Okay, answer A, the administrator can reclaim the FortiGate to FortiManager protocol FGFM tunnel to get the device online. Answer B, the administrator recently restored the FortiManager configuration file. Answer C, the administrator must refresh the device to restore the connectivity. Answer D, FortiManager lost internet connectivity, therefore the device appears to be down. As in the image, you can see here the device showing amber color, that means all devices is down, and you can notice that FortiManager running as offline mode. Okay, let's understand this and find out the correct answer. Okay, when you restore any configuration, you have to come to system information widget and you can select system restore button. Then you can select the previous downloaded backup file. Then you can see here, and there are two options available: override current IP routing and HA settings, and the second one is restore in offline mode. When you click here, you can see the restore option will temporarily disable the communication channel between FortiManager and the all managed devices. This is a safety measures. In case any device are being managed by another FortiManager, to re-enable the communication, please go to System Settings, Advanced Settings and disable offline mode. Okay, let's try to restore configuration from offline mode. Select the backup file, then restore in offline mode. Click OK. Now you can see here the FortiManager restore backup file using previously taken. Let's wait some time and see the status. Okay, now you can see here all devices connected to the FortiManager and down and showing offline mode. As in the question, the same as our FortiManager also now offline mode. When you want to get online mode, you should go to System Settings, then you should come to Advanced, then you can see here offline mode and online mode. Now offline mode is enabled, so you can disable the offline mode after your configuration restore completed. Okay, let's open FortiManager 7.4 Administrator Study Guide, page number 74. You can see here restore in offline mode. By default, this option is enabled and grey out. You cannot disable it. While restoring a backup, FortiManager temporarily disables the communication channel between FortiManager and all managed devices. This is safety measures in case any device are being managed by another FortiManager device. As you can see why it is getting offline. It is getting offline because of the security measures, because some FortiGate device managed by another FortiManagers. So after your restore is completed and you can verify the devices are not managed from the another FortiManagers, then you can select off online status using advanced option. Okay, let's go back to the question and find out the correct answer. The question is, junior administrator is troubleshooting FortiManager connectivity issues that is occurring with the managed FortiGate device. Given the FortiManager device manager settings shown in the exhibit, what can you conclude from the scenario? Answer A. The administrator can reclaim the FortiGate to FortiManager protocol FGFM tunnel to get the device online. No, this answer cannot select because FortiManager also running as a offline status. Answer C. The administrator recently restored from FortiManager configuration file. Yes, we can select answer B as a correct answer. Let's check the answer C. The administrator must refresh the device to restore connectivity. No, answer C is incorrect because it's not get enabled after refresh. You have to go to advanced settings and disable the offline mode. Answer D. FortiManager lost internet connectivity, therefore device appears to be down. No, there is no need to connect internet connectivity for FortiManager and device connectivity become online. So that's answer D also incorrect. So you can select answer B. The administrator recently restored FortiManager configuration file. Answer B is a correct answer. Okay, next question. What happens if you create an ADOM with the version 7.2, add FortiGate device running with FortiOS 7.2 and then upgrade the FortiGate device to FortiOS 7.4? Answer A. Adding higher version FortiGate device to lower version ADOM trigger an automatic ADOM update. Answer B. The ADOM can currently manage FortiGate device running different firmware versions. Answer C. The ADOM restrict access to device running lower firmware version. Upgrading the FortiGate devices to FortiOS 7.4 may result in ADOM database corruption. Okay, let's find out the correct answer and understand what is the recommended way to upgrade ADOM and FortiGate device. Okay, let's open the FortiManager 7.4 Administrator Study Guide, page number 65. In here you can see you can upgrade the ADOM version before or after updating all device in the ADOM. However, it is recommended to upgrade the devices first, then upgrade the ADOM. If there are many ADOM revisions, FortiManager requires more system resources and the ADOM upgrade can take more time to complete. Okay, let's log into the FortiManager and understand how to upgrade the ADOM. When you log into the FortiManager, you should come to System Settings section. Then you can see here ADOMs. Then you can select the correct ADOM what you want to upgrade. Click the ADOM. You can see here under the type section you can update the ADOM 7.0, 7.2, you can select what is the version appropriate for your requirement. And you may note that if your ADOM version is 7.4, your FortiGate should be on 7.4. In this question asking what happens if you create ADOM version 7.2, then add FortiGate running with 7.4 and then upgrade FortiGate device into 7.4. If you upgrade FortiGate 7.4, FortiGate ADOM should be upgraded to 7.2. If not, may result in ADOM database corruption. Okay, let's find out the correct answer. Answer A, adding higher version FortiGate device to lower version ADOM trigger an automatic ADOM upgrade. No, there is no any ADOM trigger an automatic upgrade. So answer A is incorrect. Answer B, the ADOM can concurrently manage FortiGate device running different firmware version. No, it cannot manage concurrently different firmware version. All ADOM version and FortiGate version should be matched. Answer C, the ADOM restricts access to device running lower firmware version. No, there is no any restriction, but you have to have limitation and the ADOM database corruption. Let's see the answer D. Upgrading the FortiGate device into 7.4 may result in ADOM database corruption. Yes, answer D we can select as a correct answer. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you for all attending today's class at 591 Lab. We hope you found the material informative and helpful. Remember, the practice is critical to mastering any new skill. So review the course content and keep practicing with the 591 help and support. If you have any question or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. We appreciate your participation and look forward to see you in our future classes. Have a great day.